Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. This entry comes from Pam at Pamela's Creations here on YouTube, and she is entry number 28. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go show her some crafty love. She is new to paper crafting. Well, she's been around for a couple months now and she's really good at it. So I don't know about new, but she did a lot of yarn work previously to getting hooked on paper crafts, and I don't know which is a worse vice, yarn or paper supplies. But in any case, thank you so much, Pam, for entering my challenge and for sending in your entry. I appreciate it. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, look at the sushi. So pretty. Aww. And look at these bows. Okay, here's a card. Let's see. Nice gold shiny paper. Hi Maka, hope you like everything here. I did a VR and I made this bows out of cupcake liners. As you know, I'm new at making things and I hope you like it. Congrats on 400, your friend Pamela's Creations. Yes girl, good job. I have tried to make some cupcake rosettes, and yeah, they're harder than the person on the video made them look, believe me. But these are perfect. I love them. Thank you so much. She also gifted some of these ribbon flowers with the centers. Look at the centers. I know they glare, yeah. Beautiful. And then she's also gifted some of these resin pieces. Oh, look at the bows and Daisy. Thank you so much. They're so adorable. Look at the glasses. Thank you, thank you. And then, so this is the type of rosette I tried to make with the cupcake liner, and yours came out way, way better than mine did. I gave up. But this is her Memorydex card, and she's made a little pocket for it. How cute. The little pocket for the Memorydex, and look at how vibing summery this is. To the beach. This is beautiful. I like the pineapple with the sunglasses. Oh, and there's another one with sunglasses here. And I like the hearts along the edge of this die. Pretty. So you've been using your new die machine, and I'm assuming you just love it. It's addicting. Let's see what she shares about herself. She is Pam Rivers, Pamela's Creations here on YouTube. She lives in Washington, and her favorite colors are pink, purples, and pastels. Oh, and she's a Capricorn too. So there's her Memorydex card. Thank you so much, Pamela. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. And thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate all of you. The drawing for my 400 SUBBIE challenge will be on July 3rd, so watch for that video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have questions, leave a comment below. And until my next video, shakas!